Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. If you are new here, welcome. I am so excited to finally be collabing with Anya here on YouTube. She is like the collab queen, pretty much. She messaged me and wanted me to do a fun pride makeup look for her with her. So this is the look that I created, a glitter blue cut crease. At the end I will give you more of a close-up of the look, but yeah, be sure, if you have not gone to Anya's channel, I cannot talk, sorry. I will link it down below. She is so gorgeous. Her channel is definitely based off of makeup. I love that she is not scared to venture out and do bright, fun looks just like me. We have that in common for sure. I think a lot of people think that they cannot do fun, bright, colorful looks or bold looks, and you totally can. You just have to practice. And I've been practicing for a few years, been doing a YouTube for a few years, and practice makes perfect. And I'm definitely not perfect at what I do. I still have some learning to do, but I do like how this look turned out. So like I said, definitely go check out Anya. She is so sweet. I really hope to do another collab with her in the future. We actually do have one coming up with a handful of people, so I'm excited about that. So thank you, Anya, for doing this collab with me. You are so sweet, so down to earth. I love that your videos are just so chill, and I think that's why a lot of people like your channel, is that, sorry, my hair is just having its mind of its own. I think a lot of people like your channel because you're just so down to earth and chill, and yeah, so definitely go check her out, guys. And so if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look right here, then just keep watching.
Bring it back now. Hold up. If you turn around, you gon' face the lead. Shooting from above, go to sleep, you dead, What? 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 Bring it back now.
Like I said, definitely go check out Anya's channel. It will be linked down below. Tell her I said hi, or if you're from her channel, let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and how I did it. If you have any requests on any videos you would like me to film, then comment them down below. I do have a ColourPop giveaway going on for a little bit longer. I'm going to continue it for a little longer. I will link that above for you guys so you can go check it out. Make sure that you are active on my channel, because I'm going to have it up for a few weeks after it's closed to see who's active, and that's how you can possibly win, because I want people who actually support my channel to actually win the giveaway. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Toodaloo.